If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite seafood boil. Here are the ingredients: Dungeness crabs, crab claws, lots of shrimp. I think this is about 3 pounds of shrimp. Smoked sausage, red potatoes, corn, garlic, butter, and lemon. All the seasoning used will be listed in the description. Get yourself a big aluminum tray and start with the corn. And then the red potatoes. We're just going to spread everything evenly. Then the crab claws. These are called Jonah crab claws. The meat is sweeter than the Dungeness crabs. Then add the smoked sausages. Then our 3 pounds of shrimp. And then our Dungeness crabs. You can add more if you'd like. Let's make the seasoning. We'll start with 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. Then 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Two tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, give it a mix. Oh, and there was one seasoning I forgot to add, which is the most important one. 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. We're going to give this a mix, and then we're going to sprinkle or spread this to our seafood tray. If you notice, I didn't add any salt. The Old Bay, the Cajun seasoning, and lemon pepper has a lot of salt in it already. Adding more salt will make this very salty. Let's heat up our butter. I'm using about 6 sticks of butter here. When it melts, add the garlic. Let it cook for a few minutes and then we'll transfer to a bowl. Now just spread the garlic butter evenly to our seafood tray that has been seasoned already. You can add more dried parsley if you'd like. Then cover the entire tray with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. Here is our finished product. Doesn't it look amazing? Don't forget to sprinkle some lemon on top. My favorite seafood boil. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.